guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing what is actually technically the very last look of my Zodiac series. I have one more look from my 13 looks of Halloween, but this is the last Zodiac look. This is Pisces. We've made it to the end. So, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nervina Volume 1 palette. And I am going to go into this dark purple shade right here before and start using that on my outer corner. And then I'm going to go into the Nervina Volume 1 Mini, and I'm going to go into this bottom middle shade right here, this kind of cooler toned, lighter purple. Next up, I'm going to go into Volume 4 and dip into the lilac shade right here before and blend the purples out. I'm also then going to go back into the two previous purples and just make sure that everything is still intensified and there. Next up, I'm going to go into the BH Zodiac Love Signs palette, and I'm going to dip into the matte Capricorn shade and just pack that on to my lids. And then really quick, I'm going to dip into Volume 3 Mini, and I'm going to go into this center light blue shade, and I'm just going to use that to mesh those two shades together. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to go back into Volume 4, and I'm going to go into this kind of glittery shade right here, E2, and I'm just going to kind of pat that right where the teal and the purple meet, just to, I don't know, make it more cohesive or something. I started to do it and then I ended up putting it all over my lids, but I kind of like it. It gives like that reflective fish scale kind of look, which that's what I'm going for. I'm going to jump off. I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes. I'm going to toss on some wings and I'm going to do my base, and then I will be back to keep working on this look. Okay, so I also put on bronzer and contour because I've done it enough time in these videos now at this point, so it's just bronzer and contour. It's not, I did not reinvent the wheel there. Okay, so for my under eyes, I'm just going to be going in with all of the same colors that I already used, so I'm just going to speed you guys through it, but pretty much just mirror what I did on my lid, just underneath my eyes. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with just the teeniest, tiniest little bit of the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Cheeky. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlight, bring a little bit of life back to my skin, and then I'm going to dip back into the BH Belgian Waffle palette, which is what I used to bronze my cheeks, and I'm going to go into the shade Powdered Sugar and just use that to highlight. Alright, I am going to jump off and finish up my eyes. I'm going to put on my brows, do all that stuff. I am going to glue on a bunch of pearl rhinestones onto my face, but at this point I've struggled enough on camera with putting those on, so I'm going to do them off camera because it takes me forever. And then I will be back to put on my lips and show you guys the final look. Alright, almost done. Did something with my hair. It's a miracle. But I'm going to be going in with my lips. So I'm going to use the LA Girl lip liner in Enduring Mauve. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Lip Lingerie Push-Up in the shade Corset. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's look. If you're a Pisces, comment down below and tell me how you think that I did. I think this looks kind of cool because it could also double as like mermaid. Something along those lines. Can sea creature-esque, fishy. I don't know. Whatever you want it to be. But I kind of wanted to like embody the fish, you know? Turn myself into a mermaid. Pisces. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!